to Autism Mathematics. In this video, I'm continuing with the solution of licensure exams, the numeracy aspect. So the last time I solved question 1 to 10, so today I'm going to look at question 11 to 20. So let's start. Question 11. If the time is 4 p.m. on a clock, what is the angle between the hour hand and then the minute hand? So this is my clock, this is the hour hand, and this is the minute hand. And the minute hand is pointing to 12, and then the hour hand is pointing to 4. Okay, now the whole clock is just like a circle, and it is the angle of a circle is 360. Now we have 12 divisions. Now the minute hand is pointing to 4, so it's just a simple proportion. So 4 over 12 times 360 degrees, and it's coming from the fact that the whole 12 division is equal to 360. Therefore 4 will be 4 over 12 times 360. So when we simplify this, 12 will go here 3, so you have 120 degrees. So the answer is C. Let's move to the next question. Kojo had 56 marbles and gave 38 of them to Fifi. He later gave some of the remaining to Oparabia and had 18 marbles left. So how many marbles did he give to Oparabia? So first let's look at Fifi. So Fifi had 3 over 8 times 56, 38. 8 will go here 7, which is 21 marbles. That's what he gave to Fifi. He later gave some of the remaining to Oparabia and had 18 marbles left. So after this, so 56 minus 21, we have 35 marbles. And out of this 35, he gave some to Oparabia and then had this. So 35 minus X or O, that's Oparabia, is equal to 18. So if you want the Oparabia, so be 35 minus 18, which is 17. So the answer is C. So let me review the whole solution. So Kojo had 56 marbles. He gave 38 of them to Fifi. So what he gave to Fifi is 3 over 8 times 58, which is 21. So after 21, you subtract it from the total marbles, and we had 35. And out of this 35, you gave some to Oparabia and still had this. So 35 minus what he gave to Oparabia will be equal to 18. Make Oparabia's own the subject. Question 13. I'm a 3-digit number. The digit in my, that is A, B, C. So this, the digit in my 100 column is the square of the digits in my 10th column. So this one, there's no calculation. He said the first clue is the digit in my 100. So the first one is the 100, and then this is the 10th, and this is the ones. So let's count. So the 100th digit is the square of the 10th. So 3 squared is equal to 9. And then the 10th, the digit in my 10th is 3 times the digit. So 3 times 1. So the answer is straightforward, D. You don't need any calculation. Question 14. A researcher starts in an interview for a sample of 10 people at 9 a.m. If each interview lasts 15 minutes, followed by 5-minute break before the next interview, at what time will the interview for the 10th person end? Well, let's make it simple. So we have 15 minutes for each person and then 5-minute break. So let's make it 20 minutes. For every person is 20 minutes. So let's multiply it by 10 people. So 20 times 10, we have 200 minutes. But remember, the last person, there's not going to be break, because he is the last person. When we are done, we are done. So we will subtract 5 minutes from it. 200 minutes less 5, which will be 195. Okay, now we need to convert this one to hours, because the time here is hour. So 1 hour or 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour, right? So if you want to know the number of hours in 195, let's divide 195 by 60. So we are going to get 3 and then remainder of 15 out of 60. So which means 3 hours 15 minutes. Okay, now the time they started at 9 o'clock. So 9 o'clock plus 3 hours 15 minutes. You then have 15 to 12 to 12:15 p.m. That's when the last person will end. So 12:15. So the answer is C. Next, question 15. A minibus can carry a maximum of 15 supporters per trip. If 208 supporters are to be transported from a town to the stadium, what is the minimum number of such minibus required to transport all the supporters? So this is just a basic division. So each car can take a maximum of 15. So you divide 208 by 15. Now when you do that, you get 13 and then remainder another 13. Right. So all the supporters have to go to the stadium. So the minimum will be 4 buses. So 13 will take 15, and then the last bus, which is the 14 bus, will take 13 supporters. So the minimum is 14. That is A. Kafui cut off 20% out of a string and gave it to a friend. So let's find 20%. So 3.5 the same as 7 out of 2. So let's find 20% of 7 out of 2. This will go here 10. So you have 7 out of 10. And that is the friend. The friend will be 7 out of 10 meters. And what is the length of the remaining string in centimeters? So we have 7 over 2 minus 7 over 10. You find the LCM, which is 10. 5. So 35 minus 7. And this is 28 over 10. So you have 2.8 meters. But we were asked to convert it to centimeters. We know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So we just have to multiply this by 100. And when we do that, we have 280 centimeters. The answer is D. Okay, use the graph to answer questions 17 and 18. We have different types of drinks and the number of students who like the drinks. So Sobolo is 8 students, Sprite 2, Coca-Cola 6, Fanta 8. Now the first one, how many students were in Mr. Ado's class? So let's go back to the diagram. So we go back to the diagram. We add the number of students for each drink, and we are going to get, that is 12 plus 8 plus 6 plus 2 plus 8. That will give us 36. Yes. So these are the number of students who like various drinks. So 36, the answer is D. The second one, how many more students chose Coke than Sobolo drink? Here you find the number of Coke. So Coke, then Sobolo. So let's go to the diagram. Sobolo is 8, Coke is 12. So Coke is 12 and then Sobolo is 8. Okay. So you just find the difference. 12 minus 8, which is 4. So the answer is A. So question number 19. I am a 2-digit number. When my first and second digits are interchanged, the new digit number is 4. When you subtract my new digit from the old number, the result is 36. What number am I? Okay, to do this one, let's write the old digit, right? So here, if old is 37, 48, 73, 84. The new one, change them. 3, this one, 84, 37, 48. Now, when you subtract the new from the old, so you subtract this, that will be the difference. You subtract the new from the old, which is 37 minus 73, so you get minus 36. And this one, too, you get minus 36. But this, you get positive 36. 84 minus 48, positive 36. So looking at the difference is positive. So these two answers will fit the description. So here, I don't know, the answers are 2. So it is this one, and then that check number 20. Kwame has a number cards as shown. What is the difference between the largest and the smallest 4-digit numbers he can form if he is allowed to use each card only one for each 4-digit number? Now 4-digit number, right? So these are the digits. This is 5 digits. So for 4 digits, if you want the largest, you start with the bigger digit, then the next one will be the next bigger 4, then 2, and then the smallest you start with the smaller digit. So 1, 4, 5. Then we are finding the difference. So here 12, that's 7. It's left with 3, 13. 13 minus 4, we have 9. It's left with 4. 4 minus 2, 2. Then 6. So we have 6,297. 6,000. So the answer is C. Viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. I have the last part of 2021. So if you are watching me for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, like, and then comment the video. You can also share with your friends. So look forward for the last 10 questions.